Welcome to the Revolution 11 video series, setting up a cloud account and hooking up a smart thing. Part 5, setting up multi-factor authentication for the root user. Hi, this is Jim from Revolution 11. I'll be leading you through this video series. Let's get going. So far in this series, we've set up a root access account and we've configured the AWS IoT button, starting with the built-in email Lambda function. And we've set up a developer account so we can customize the IoT button. And we customize the IoT button. In this video, we're going to set up multi-factor authentication for the root user account. Multi-factor authentication is a requirement of a system to use 2 or more methods of identification to authenticate the user. We're already set up with one method of authentication for the root user. We use their email and password to log on. You can pick a second method of authentication from the AWS MFA homepage. In this example, we'll be using Google Authenticator, which you can download from either the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Log into the AWS console as the root user, and on the drop-down menu attached to the organization name in the top menu bar, choose My Security Credentials. You will get a pop-up warning letting you know that you should set up another user with limited permissions. We've already done so, so we're going to choose Continue to Security Credentials. Select the radio button at the top, Virtual MFA device, and press the Continue button. On the pop-up screen that appears next, we've already installed our app for two-factor authentication. So we're going to go on to step 2 and press the button Show QR Code. Open up the Google Authenticator app and press the Begin button. We're going to skip all of the intro stuff and get right into it. Press the Skip button in the lower left-hand corner of the app. On the next screen, choose Scan a Barcode. You will be asked to give permission for the app to use your camera. Go ahead and press Allow. Point your phone's camera to the console screen, focusing on the barcode. Center the square that appears over the barcode and the app will scan it. You will now see the account added in the Google Authenticator app. Make note of the code that is displayed and return to the MFA pop-up in the AWS console. Enter the code from the app in the MFA Code 1 box on the AWS console and hit the Tab key. That will expose a box for a second code. Go back to the app, wait until it changes the code, make note of the code, return to the console, and type in the second code. Then press Assign MFA. You should get a pop-up that tells you have successfully set up MFA for the root access account. Press the Close button and sign out of AWS. Now let's test signing in with MFA. Log into the AWS console with the root credentials as you normally would with the root user email and the password, and press Sign In. You will now be presented with a second authentication page where you can enter a MFA code. On your phone, open the Google Authenticator app and note the code. Enter the code from the app in the MFA code box on the AWS console and press Submit. You should now be logged on to the AWS homepage. This concludes the video series, Setting Up a Cloud Account and Hooking Up a Smart Thing. With what you have learned in this video series, you should have acquired the skills necessary to prototype use cases in your own company with the AWS IoT button. I would recommend working on a few test cases with just the email or SMS functionality. If it looks like folks in your company would benefit from using the buttons, you can then go on to build more sophisticated workflows around the button. Thanks for watching. You can learn more about what you can do with these buttons on this video channel. Do you need help getting started with the cloud or IoT? Contact Revolution 11. We'd love to chat.